everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Rashmi and today I'm going to show you how to crochet this Catherine's wheel stitch. For this tutorial I will be using double knit yarn in a variety of colours, and those details can be found in the description box below. This particular stitch is quite versatile and you can use it for a variety of projects. However, I'm going to share two sizes of blankets with you. First one is stroller blanket, so if you wish to make a stroller blanket, go ahead and chain 129, and this should give you a baby blanket of size 30 by 35 inches. Now if you wish to make a standard size baby blanket, then go ahead and chain 169, and that should give you a baby blanket of size 40 by 45 inches. This stitch is worked in multiples of 8+1, so if you're planning to make a different type of project with this, be sure to chain a number that is multiple of 8+1. So for this tutorial purpose, I am going to chain 25. Go ahead and work a slip knot. Slip your crochet in there and tighten the loop around your crochet. Yarn over, pull through the loop. That's 1, 2, 3. Following this, go ahead and work your desired number of chains for your project. Once you have your desired number of chains, you're going to skip the first 4 chains. So there's my first one, second, third, fourth. Yarn over your crochet, and in the 5th chain you're going to work 9 double crochets. Pull up a loop from there, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through next 2. That's my first double crochet. I'm going to follow this on with 8 more within that same stitch, same chain. Here's my second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and my last one, number 9. Once you have your 9 double crochets, you're going to miss the next 3 chains. So here's my first one, second and third. I'm going to miss those 3 chains, and in the 4th one we're going to slip our crochet in and work a single crochet. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both in one go. Skip the next 3 chains again, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th one we're going to go ahead and work 9 more double crochets in that same chain. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here's my 9th one. We're going to miss 3 chains as first one, second and third, and in the 4th one I'm going to slip my crochet in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. Just like this, you're going to skip the next 3 chains, and in the 4th one work 9 double crochets, skip 3 chains, work a single crochet, and repeat that all the way to the end of this row. At the end of this row we should have 4 chains left. Let's go ahead and work our single crochet in the last chain, and now I'm going to change the color over to white. So grab your new color, pull this through the loop. I'm going to go ahead and snip my old color off, grab hold of the tail ends and pull it down, and I tend to give this a little knot in place. If you like to change your color in a different way, then go right ahead and do that. It's not a problem. There are a variety of ways to do the same thing. Now I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn our work around, and we're going to be working on top of these stitches. This stitch is already occupied by this chain 3, so yarn over, and we're going to double crochet 4 stitches together. So stick your crochet in the next stitch here, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Going to leave it like this, yarn over, going to the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, 3rd stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and one last time, pull up a loop and go through just the 2. Now we've got 5 loops on our crochet, yarn over and pull through all 5 in one go. We are going to chain 4, that's 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we're going to work a single crochet in the next stitch. Slip your crochet in, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both. We're going to chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now we're going to double crochet next 9 stitches together. Yarn over your crochet, go in the very next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, go to the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to do this to the next 9 stitches all together. That's 3. Here's my 4th one, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and my final number 9th, stitch number 9. Once you have your 9 stitches, you should have 10 loops all together on your crochet. Yarn over, and we're going to pull through all of these in one go, like this. I'm going to chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we are now going to single crochet in the top part of our next stitch. There we are, chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to double crochet 9 of these stitches together. So yarn over your crochet, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Do that to the next 8 stitches. That's 2, 3, yarn over, back into that same stitch, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here's my 9th one, 9. Once you've worked these incomplete double crochets, let's call them, you're going to yarn over and pull through all of these loops in one go, and we're going to chain 4 again. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4, single crochet on top of your next stitch, and we are now going to have 5 stitches that we're going to work a double crochet together in. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And that's my first one. Let's go ahead and do that to the next few. That's 2, 3, here's my 4th stitch, and right at the end I've got my chain 3 from the very beginning, which is also a stitch. So on top part of this chain 3, yarn over, go in this chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and I have 6 loops on my crochet. Yarn over, pull through all 6 in one go, and that completes this row as well. To start the next row, we're going to chain 4. So that's 1, 2, 3 and 4. Turn your work around, and we are going to work 4 double crochets in the very same stitch. So if I pull this apart, you can see that there is a space right there, and this is where we're going to work our next 4 stitches. Yarn over, go into that same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That's my first double crochet. I need 4 of them all together. That's second double crochet, third, and my 4th one. From here, you're going to locate your single crochet from your previous row, which is right here. I'm going to work a single crochet in my previous single crochet, like this, yarn over your crochet, and now we are looking at our semicircle from our previous row. We're going to go in the center of this, which is right here, and work 9 double crochets in that same space. Yarn over, go in there, and that's my first double crochet, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, and my 9th one in the same space. once you worked your 9 double crochets, you're going to locate your next single crochet space and work a single crochet in there, like this. Now in this row, you're just going to repeat the same. Work 9 double crochets in the center of your 9 double crochets from your previous row, and single crochet in the single crochet space all the way to the end of this row. Once you reach the end of this row, you're going to find the base of this chain 4, which is right here, and you're going to work 5 double crochets in that same space. So yarn over, go in the center of this space, and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through next 2. Let's go ahead and work 4 more in the same space. That's second, third, fourth, and here's my 5th one. And that completes my row 3. Now from here we're going to go ahead and change the color, and I'm going to go for blue color this time. However, if you wish to, you can certainly go back to yellow after this. I'm going to just go ahead and snip my old color off and grab the new color and pull this in through this loop right here. Grab the 2 tail ends and pull them down. I'm going to give this little knot in place as well. And there we go. We're going to now chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work around, and we are now going to miss this stitch that we have just worked our chain 4 in. We're going to leave that one and work next 9 stitches together. So we're going to work 9 double crochets together. Yarn over, go into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Next one, pull up a loop, only pull through 2. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here's my 9th stitch. There we go. After going through 9 of these stitches, you should have a total of 10 loops on your crochet. We're going to yarn over and go through all 10 in one go, like this. And once you made your way through, you're going to chain 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to work a single crochet in top part of the next stitch. There we go. Chain 4 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to double crochet 9 of the next stitches together. So just like this one, go ahead and work these ones as well, and then work a single crochet in the stitch after that. We're now going to single crochet in our last stitch here, chain 1 and turn our work around. And now we're going to skip our first stitch here and go straight in the center of this one and work 9 double crochets in that same space. We're going to now single crochet in the single crochet from our previous row. 9 double crochets in the center of this, single crochet on top of our single crochet, and follow this on to complete this row as well. At the end of this row, we're going to work a single crochet in our first chain of our previous row, like this, and there we go. That completes our Catherine wheel stitch. From here you can repeat row 2 all the way to row 5 each time until you get to your desired length. Going back to the initial blanket sizes, so if you're working the blanket for a stroller, then I would suggest for you to work total of 70 rows, and if you're working a standard baby blanket size, then go ahead and work 90 rows altogether. Because looking back at this swatch, if I was to measure this, I have 4.5, and within this space I've worked 10 rows altogether. If you enjoyed learning this stitch with me, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.